How to curve an image in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Canva application on your device. As you launch the Canva application, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, what you can simply do is select any of the images. So let us first select the image for our curving section. So I'm going to just do that with my previous project over here. So what you can simply do over here is you can just tap on the effects section or just the elements section at the bottom of the screen. So you'll be able to see different menus on the bottom of the screen. So we just have to wait for a while until it loads all the elements. So here you can see the elements option, so tap on elements, and here tap on the frame option. And when it comes to the frame, what you can simply do is you can search for a curve frame over here. So let's do that. So I'm going to search for curve frame, and as I search for it, you'll be able to see different options over here. So you can simply select any of these. I'm going to select one of these randomly, and when you select that, you can just put the picture on that frame over here. So let me just do that. So first of all, let me just add a picture. Let me add the picture over here of any other elements, and let us just drag it to the curve. So let me drag this picture to the curve, and there you go, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.